Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys part 2 of the largest unboxing that I have ever done. I don't really need an intro for this because it would probably be pretty similar to my previous intro, but if you guys are new here on my channel and you haven't watched my part 1, you can watch if you want to see more unboxing. I just love filming these because they're really fun and I know you guys really enjoy them as well, so super excited to get into part 2 and see what else is in these boxes. Also, if you happen to be finding my channel for the first time, I do a bunch of unboxing, thrifting, hauls, embroidery, beauty, you name it here on my channel. So if you want to stick around and subscribe, you can hit that subscribe button. I'll be sure to link everything down below in the description box, just like my previous video. But let's go ahead and open this stuff up. First one is right on top. This is from Urban Decay, and I haven't gotten anything from Urban Decay in a very long time, so I'm excited to see what all they sent. I feel like a lot of times brands kind of switch up their PR list, so if you're on a PR list at one point, there's no guarantee that you'll be on there forever. So I was on their PR list like a couple years ago, but I haven't gotten really anything in the last year. So this is super fun to be back on their PR list. This is a new mascara called Lash Freak. Urban Decay has some of the most wild products and like wild themes of their products. This one is called Lash Freak, and it is a mascara, and I am all for trying out new mascaras. I mean, you guys know I have short straight Asian lashes, and so finding a good mascara is actually really hard, and there aren't that many that can hold my lashes up from going straight again. So I'm really interested to see how this goes with lime green tube, so Urban Decay. And this is the brush. This is the applicator. How interesting is that? So I'm gonna have to keep you guys updated on my Instagram, because based off of like what I'm seeing, I don't see this going very well for me. But I mean, it's gotta be good if they took the time to release it. So it says that it produces 23.6 times more volume than your normal lashes. So if I can get 23 times the volume, then maybe this is just a mascara that I should have been using all along. I've mentioned this before in my previous unboxing video, but if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, that's where I'm constantly posting updates of things that I've unboxed. So obviously I can't try everything on or try every single product when I open it in an unboxing, but I like to update you guys on my Instagram. So if you feel like following me, it's at LIKEYOU. That's where I'll post updates if I'm like loving a product like this or really anything. Okay, so this package is actually something that I personally bought myself because I just love these so much. So a while ago, I got a PR package from Blue & Gray, which is a luxury loungewear brand. It's not luxury, it's just like a little more expensive than Target, but I got a pair of shorts from them and they are my go-to sweat shorts. Like I wear them all the time. They're my absolute favorite. They're super high-waisted, really flattering on, and I got suckered into buying a pair myself because I love them so much. So I got the same pair of shorts that I wear all the time. You probably see it all over my Instagram because I'm always in them on my stories, but I got them in black because they're just so dang comfortable. Blue & Gray has some of the softest clothing on the planet. Like, it is unreal how soft their stuff is, and what's crazy is that once you wash it, it gets softer. Like, it doesn't get rough, but it legit just gets like softer and more broken in and cozy and comfy, and I'm just a sucker for Blue & Gray. So I bought these because I just wanted another pair of them because I just wear them so much. The next thing is from a beauty brand. This is from Awake, and I've done some stuff with Awake before, so I'm really excited that they sent this over. This is so kind of them. I seriously love their packaging. It's so fun. It's so cute. So in the box is some skincare, and this is a serum. This is AHA Superstar 10% Acid Complex, and this is to help clarify and smooth, retexturize the appearance of skin. I have only used their lip products, and I use their lip mask seriously all the time, but oh my gosh. Hold on, packaging. We gotta talk about packaging because you guys know I'm a sucker for the packaging. How cute is their packaging? It's so good. So really excited about this serum. I love this. I love like lots of skincare, so getting to try out skincare is so fun. This is a pineapple polish enzyme scrub. I love scrubs. I love exfoliants. I love all skincare, so this is just so exciting. The packaging, again, so stinking cute. Their lip product packaging was adorable too. I wonder what it smells like. Hopefully it smells like pineapple. Ooh, it's sealed. Do I want to open it? I'm not gonna open it. but I will report back on my Instagram once I actually open it. The next thing is from Charlotte Tilbury, and wow, this has actually been one giant unboxing of beauty products. And normally I don't get a lot of makeup. Normally it's like tons and tons of skincare, but this time makeup is strong. This is the inside of the Charlotte Tilbury box. Very, very luxurious. Let's see. This first thing is an airbrush bronzer. This is a refillable bronzer, matte bronzing filter for face and body. Look how big this is. This is the actual size of my face, and I'm really excited. I've never had a bronzer this giant. I have actually an Estee Lauder one that's pretty big, but I wonder if it's like this size big. I don't even know. Where do I open this from? The bottom? Oh my gosh, this bronzer is huge. I mean, this is a big bronzer. Typically, bronzers are like this size. Look how giant this thing is. So this is a bronzer. Ooh, oh my gosh. Charlotte Tilbury is so classy and luxurious and honestly overwhelmingly beautiful. Look at this. Is this not the most beautiful like packaging ever? I mean, the front, this is like straight luxury. I don't even feel like I can use this. It's so pretty. I don't want to mess this up. It's just beautiful and giant, and I'm so excited to use this. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I've never had a bronzer that large. That is a huge bronzer. That's gonna literally last forever. And Charlotte Tilbury seriously is one of my favorite brands. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. So this is like a setting powder almost. Again, their packaging so pretty, so glam. Just a nice powder for over your foundation. This is Pillow Talk. This is one of their lipsticks. Pillow Talk is seriously one of my favorite lipstick shades. There's like quite a few versions of Pillow Talk, and I have actually a couple of them, but this one is the Pillow Talk Matte Revolution one. And just again, the packaging, so luxurious. And look at this shade. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. There is no better feeling than opening up a new beauty product, like a new eyeshadow palette or a new bronzer or like a new lipstick. It does something to me. I love opening up a new beauty product. It's just, I don't know. It's one of the most like satisfying things ever. You guys probably didn't know I was so makeup obsessed until these unboxings, because I really don't talk about it all that much, but I love makeup. So this is overwhelming for me. This is the Luxury Palette Color Coded Eyeshadow in the shade, honestly, I cannot find the shade color. Oh, the Golden Goddess. This is the Golden Goddess palette. This is one of their quad palettes. I have another one of their quad palettes that I use all the time. Look at these colors. I'm obsessed. Oh, I love their makeup, so I am so excited to use this, especially that bronzer. I'm so pumped to like try out that bronzer. Okay, next package is not makeup. I think we're done with makeup, we're done with beauty. I think we've moved on. We're on to like other things. This is from a brand called Knix, K-N-I-X, and they are based out of LA, I believe. And they're basically an underwear brand, and they are kind of a lot like True & Co, where they're very, very comfortable. There's not any like wires in them. They're just super great for like everyday underneath t-shirts, just comfort bras. This is the first one. It actually looks like really big. I think it actually though is supposed to be like extremely like covering, I guess. Like it covers like a lot of the sides. It has this right here that's supposed to like cover the sides so you don't have that like extra skin. Here I am literally trying to describe a bra to y'all. It's a bra. There's no wires in it. I will report back to y'all on my Instagram if I like it. Probably won't try this on for y'all because, you know, it's a bra. But honestly, the material of it is amazing. The quality feels so good. And the fact that there's no wires, but this is like a supportive bra. I feel like a lot of bras that don't have any wires in them don't offer any sort of support. And for me, that's not that big of a deal. Like I can get away with a bralette, but if you actually need more support than a bralette, these are, I mean, this is like a sturdy bra, even though there's no wiring in it. So I am really excited to give this like a test run. I don't know what you call it. Like try it out, try this bra out. I'm excited. I don't know what else to say. I'm excited. Leave it at that. The next thing is a tank top, but this tank top has built-in cups. So it's like a super fitted tank, and I'll try this one on for y'all. It's like a super fitted tank with built-in cups, which means that you don't have to wear any sort of bra with it. It's literally like a built-in bra. It's really, really fitted, and I thought this would look so good with jeans. Like, how good would this look with jeans? And it doesn't even look like a bra. It literally just looks like a tank top, but it's that same kind of like bra-like material where it's really slick and really like flattering, like very form flattering, I guess. So I'm gonna try this one on for y'all so you guys can see what it looks like, and then maybe it will give you an idea of what that other bra would kind of look like. I just think that's so sleek. I mean, honestly, with like a low pony and then some like mom jeans or like a boyfriend style jean, I'm into it. And also like the material again feels amazing. So this is the tank and it is absolutely amazing. It sucks you in and it's so flattering on. I'm obsessed with this, and the fact that I don't have to wear a bra with this is amazing. Like, it is seriously so flattering. It's actually really fitted around this top part, and then this kind of part is more of like an actual tank top where it's not super tight, but I really like that. I think it looks so good. I mean, with some gold jewelry, this is seriously such a cute top. I love it. I love it so much. Also, these jeans are the Mott & Bow jeans that I unboxed in previous video, and they're so stinking cute. I mean, is this not just a look all by itself? I'm obsessed. This is a pullover bra. So this is the packaging that it comes in. The back it says wireless comfort, removable pads, performance fabric, all the things. Okay, so this bra looks, again, so comfortable. This one definitely has a little bit less support than that first one I showed y'all. That first one I showed you is like a legit bra, but just without wiring, so I don't know how it has so much like sturdiness. This is so weird. But this one is definitely like a bralette with some padding. If you guys are familiar with True & Co, I think they're a little bit bigger of a company, so you might be able to like reference them, but this is the same similar kind of style where it's super comfortable, and it's also just like a really flattering bra. So honestly, I am so excited to like find another bra brand that I really like. So this one is just a tan pullover bra. This one is called the Longevity bra. I think this is their sports bra maybe. So this is their sports bra. So cute. First of all, the straps are amazing. This is what the front looks like. I love this bra. This is so stinking cute, and I love that it has this really wide band at the bottom. Honestly, would be so cute to work out in this. So very excited about this one. Okay, so this is the sports bra. I'm obsessed with this sports bra. It's so stinking cute. I also threw it on with the Lewin Gray shorts that you guys could see. How adorable. These are so high-waisted, so cozy. I love the sports bra so much. I love the two-tone. It's super flattering on, really comfortable. I am a big fan of this brand already. The next box is from Able, and they are a brand located in Nashville. So in the Able box is a card that says, "We need each other." This is one of their new like Together campaigns. There is a hat with the little Together logo and an enamel pin, and then I think this is a print maybe? Yeah, and this is the print. So there's a print, a pen, a hat, all in that same little campaign. And then the last box is from Soul Society. I feel like there's definitely more variety in this unboxing than the other one, just because that other one was literally so much makeup, but I definitely am gonna be playing with that. I'm thinking about doing a full face video trying out all new Tarte cosmetic products, so we'll see. So first thing in this box are a pair of heels, and these are a suede open toe mule. Love this color and this big chunky heel. So cute. I won't get the other one out because you know what it looks like. Okay, last thing of this entire unboxing is this giant tote bag. Not tote bag. What is this? A weekender bag? This is honestly amazing. This thing is huge. I mean, I should have taken this past weekend to my little trip that I went on. But ooh, okay, I love the inside. The inside is this really cool print, but this is honestly like such a nice bag. Like, it's giant. So this is gonna be perfect for little weekend trips. Not that I'm getting to go on many of those, but I love this. And the color is amazing. I think it also comes in brown as well, but I love this pink tote because how many people have a blush weekender bag? And it also matches my blush mug. So I just, you know, this is my color. So I'm very excited about this. It has a really nice kind of pebbly texture. and it's super soft for not being real leather. So I am so into this. So that is everything for part 2 of the biggest unboxing I've ever done. I hope you guys have enjoyed these 2 videos, and it probably will be a while until I unbox again, but if you enjoy these videos, I would love for you to leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you want to stick around, I do tons of unboxings, thrifting, try-on hauls, beauty, fashion here on my YouTube channel, and I would love for you to stick around. So hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye guys!